Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. For anywhere you might be joining us from. So, you're welcome to the day 43 of our Excel work hour. So, in today's class, we're going to be learning a new function that is related to dates, right? We've learned some date function in the past. We've learned the days function. We've learned the network days. And I think we've also learned probably the day months function also. But in this class, we're going to be learning another function that deals with dates. And what is that function? It is called what? Workday function. Now, how does workday function works? So this is the way workday function actually works. Now, let's assume you want to enter a contract with someone, and the contract is, let me say, it has a specific number of days, and you have a starting date. But the issue you're having is that the calculation is a bit somehow, like it's a bit tricky out, in the sense that you only want to count the work day, which is Monday to Friday. All the weekends shouldn't be included in the 50 days. So let's assume you are starting the how will I say it? Let's assume you want to start the program, the contract on Tuesday. Then you want you to be a, let me just say, 75 days contract. So that means Tuesday will be a first day, it will be Tuesday 4 1, Wednesday 2, Thursday 3, Friday 4, Saturday and Sunday will not be included. So the next Monday will not be your what? Your fifth day. So like that, like that, like that. That's how you're going to be counting it. So there is a particular function for this in our what? Microsoft Excel that can assist us in what? Counting this. And what is the function called? It's called what? Workday. So let's assume today is okay. I'm assuming today is let me say August 23, 2025. Exactly. Now, then I want to count the work day. Exactly. Now, I want to enter a contract with someone. The contract is going to last for what? 66 days. Exactly. Now, I want to know the day the person is going to end the contract. Exactly. Ordinarily, had it been this is we are not considering had it been we are considering the weekend. So this contract should probably end. Let me say, okay, now September is has 31 days. October. Okay, let us say this contract should probably let me say around 4/5 or 4 or 5th of what November. Exactly. But that is not going to happen here. So your August has 31 days, not September. That is not going to happen here. Why? Because we are not counting the Saturday and Sunday. So that means the day is going to elapse beyond either 4th or 5th of what November. Exactly. So how are we going to do that? It is very, very simple. It is very simple to do this also. And how are we going to do that? So the way we are going to do this is that now we just need to count just say equals to work day. Now you say this is my start date, comma, where is my date 66. Now say enter. You can see it. So and we know something that what in Excel dates are just number. They were formatted as dates. Yes. Every date you are seeing in Excel, they are what? They are number that were formatted as date. So in this now I'm having just number. Yes, there is no issue. Just come to your date here and say what short dates like this. You can see it. So that means our program is going to end on what? On yes, that means going to end on what? The contract is going to end on what? On the 24th of 11, 2025. Can you see how it got elapsed? So it's going to end on the 24th of November 2025. Why? Now the reason why this is what is coming towards this time because of what we are not considering what Saturday and Sundays exactly which are what our work day. So now let us assume we are now having some days that are what that are holiday because there's also what a room for what holiday and you know that what holidays also the person is not going to work. So now we are assuming that what September 3rd, 2025 is also an holiday. We're also assuming that what September 17, 2025 is also an holiday. We're also assuming that okay, let me just say what okay, 1st of October 2025 is also an holiday, being Nigeria Independent Day, right? Now, another assumption is okay, 13th of October, sorry, 13th 2025 is also an holiday. Exactly. Now, let me consider all these days. Now, one thing you should just know first is that what, if any of these dates falls on weekend, if I put it as my holiday, it's not going to have effects. Exactly. Let us even check. Let me change this to long dates. Now, so everything falls on what? On Everything falls on what? On work day, right? Now I'm going to still I'll still do something for you to what? To be able to see what I'm trying to explain better. Comma. Now you notice okay, first thing is this. Let us check what the day this one falls. Exactly. It falls on Monday. So that means ordinarily this should, because we are shifting what just for this. So that means ordinarily this should be probably on Friday, yes. But I'm adding for this. So I think it should be Friday, right? So let us just check first. Let us check, comma, then just add the holiday like this. You can see it. It's going to end on what? On Friday now. So now let me now put okay. Let me now do something again. Okay, I want to put a date that will be what? That will be weekend. Exactly. So if I put October 19, 2025, that should be weekend. I think this should be Sunday or Saturday. Yes, it's Sunday. Now let me try to include this and let us see if it's going to have effect what on our day. Can you see it? It doesn't. Why? The reason why it doesn't have an effect is because of what? Is that this particular day, it's Sunday. And since it is Sunday, it's not going to have what? Any effect on what? On our work day. So I believe you've been able to what? Learn something new in today's class. And this is how to use what? Our what? Work day in Microsoft Excel. Let us meet in class tomorrow where we are going to be considering something else. And what are we considering? We are going to be considering some country or some countries whereby what their own work is actually not Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. They have what some other routines for their what for their country for their work day. Or you might even be in what in Nigeria or in every other country that is Monday to Friday as what as their work day. But the way you work, you only work just thrice in a week. So we're going to be considering that also in our class tomorrow by God's grace. So thanks for watching everyone. Do make sure you do like, subscribe, comment and share this video. And also as I've been saying, there is going to be what a data analysis course in October. If you have interest, you can always message me on WhatsApp. The link to my WhatsApp episode is down here, is down below. So do have a nice day, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.